Here's how saying I have nothing to hide can hurt you. Saying you have nothing to hide can actually hurt you in several ways. One way is that you could mistakenly provide consent to have police search your vehicle. You don't have to legally consent to allow police to search your vehicle. And saying you have nothing to hide can lead to a voluntary consent to allow people to search your car, allow them to find any evidence, whatever it might be, to use against you. It also could lead to you making misstatements or saying things that are not true or saying things that could hurt you that you're admitting that you don't have to freely admit to. In addition, by saying you have nothing to hide, you can waive your rights, your right to remain silent, your rights that can go away the second you start speaking to police. It should be noted that police don't need a warrant to speak to you, and they don't need a warrant to search your car if you give them full consent. That's why the only thing is you politely decline any questions. You don't want to talk to police without a lawyer present.